Guys, this machine is called plane separator vibrating screen. In the top, that is the big rock going to the jaw crushers, and this one screen is going the same outlet of the jaw crusher, but this is not a brake, and there is a brake rack to the jaw crusher. At the same ways, he join over the conveyor through the cone crushers. And this one screen is the 3/8 screen, and the result of 3/8 screen in the downside is going to the Corsan. And next time I will show you the processing of the Corsan product, and I show you about this vibrating screen and separator while on running or operation.